What it do, what's up YouTube? It's your girl DeSiree and I'm back on the cam with another video. Listen, I just took my wig off, took my makeup off. I ain't really had much on. I just did my eyebrows, had on lipstick and a little lip liner, but I took that off and cleaned my face and I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't been home in like 8 days. So my room is a complete mess because before I left, I put everything everywhere. I was looking for stuff and my room is a complete mess. I got packages while I was gone, so those are just laying around in my room. I got all the clothes from the last video or the video that just uploaded yesterday in my clothes in my room. I got my pillows, my new pillows came. So I got, oops, my new pillows came. These, hold on. Y'all, these pillows are $60, but they were on sale. But copper infused pillows. Look at this. I got me 2 of these. I got me a new bedding set. I was tired of the gray, so I got that. So basically, y'all finna clean my room with me and kind of upgrade my room with me because I got new pillows and a new bed set. So that's kind of gonna make my whole room look brand new. And I already can see I had got that new on my wall back there. And I also bought some new things to hang up my purses because my purse rack was getting kind of heavy. So I bought another rack to hang up more purses that I bought. But y'all, I got videos coming back to back, and I'm also doing Vlogmas this year, so stay ready for that. But this week, I got videos coming every day, so go ahead, turn on your post notifications, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope y'all ready for all these Shein hauls and stuff because I've been shopping and it's the holiday season and all that. Look at this shirt I bought in Miami. But I'm gonna be quiet from here on out and listen to my music while I clean my room. And I like this stuff, okay? Don't judge me. I know it's a hot mess. I literally be throwing stuff everywhere when I'm finna go spend the night with somebody else looking for outfits and stuff. Cause yeah. But my bed is full of clothes. This little bench or seat next to my bed is full of clothes. And over there on my daughter's bed, I have my new comforter, pillows, and my old comforter over there. But everything behind the camera is already clean because that's just my desk and where my daughter pull-ups are. But that stuff is clean. But everything that you see in front of me is dirty, and we finna clean it. I hope y'all ready. Let's go. I'm not all the way done cleaning and y'all can see that, but this video looks so weird, me cleaning without anything on my bed. So I'm about to sanitize it or Lysol it down, wipe it a little bit so it's not too damp, and put my new comforter on it. I bought a pink one. As you guys know, in my previous videos I had a gray one, and now I got a pink one to match my pink bed. If y'all didn't know, I have a burnt pink bed, so now I have a pink bed with a pink comforter. So you're gonna watch me put that on there with my new pillows. Let me show you. I have 2 of these. 2 of these from Macy's. So new pillows, new comforters, just gonna give my room that new vibe that I'm looking for because I just put that up and I just moved that over there. It's normally just sitting in the corner doing nothing, but it has a purpose now. So I have to sweep left and wash those clothes that I just threw outside. And I'll be done and I'll be ready to take a shower and start the next video, which is a Sheen try on haul. So y'all stay ready for that. I have like over 35 items. I have a box and a bag full of things to try on. So y'all stay ready. So much tea coming for that, because I gotta tell y'all what happened with my package, how everything went down, and how I got it and all that stuff. So y'all turn on post notifications, because that's the next video. And I also got a wig video coming, because I ain't got it on right now because I tie my hair up so it can stay flat, I guess, when I put my wig on. But wig video coming after that try on haul, or probably do the wig video first, because I just dropped the try on haul. So either way, y'all got videos coming back to back. But let me put this on my bed. Okay, so your girl just put her clothes in the wash. Next, all I have to do is sweep this floor and put my daughter's clothes up. Then I just got the dryer, and your girl room is clean. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour when I'm done putting these clothes, folding them and putting them up. Okay, so the room is okay, so the room is clean now. We got a new bed, new pillows, got our picture back there. I cleaned out all this where these clothes were. Okay, so the room is clean now. The bed is looking nice and pink. Over there is my fan and where I store socks and all that other stuff that I really never use. And where I have my clothes at sitting over here, they're still here. Let me show you. Cover up my address, but they're clean. Everything's clean over here now. And everything looking nice with a name back here. Yeah. And y'all stay tuned for this wig video coming, this clothing haul coming, and all the extra stuff. Okay, I like it, don't you? The pink shirt, the pink bed with the pink brain. Y'all feeling it? I see. With the purple lights, look. Y'all feeling it? Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to your channel. We on the road to 10K. Okay, we're on the road to 10K. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna get to 10K for my birthday. Okay. Bye, guys. My daughter wants to do a video, you guys. So here she goes. Hold on.
Hello, YouTube. Hey, what you doing? I jumped in my head.
That's not it. This is the mic. It's supposed to go right here. You be still. Okay, now talk.
Hey.
No, sit down. Just talk. Let's go get it.
Hey, what you doing? Video. Watching YouTube video. Mama, she gonna wear it. This mama.
This, I'm your mama?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my wig cap on. Excuse me.
Mama, she was still weak.
I was gonna do a wig video, but she wants to do a video, so.
Hey.
I need to put my wig on. Yeah.
Put my wig on.
I don't want to put my wig on. Stop touching the mic. Or they ain't gonna be able to hear us.
Hey.
How old are you?
2.
When your birthday?
January.
January. When Christmas?
January 2.
No, Christmas December.
Ever?
What color is the bed?
Pink.
Pink. What color is your dress?
Black.
That blue. That dark blue.
What
color is this?
White.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Brown.
Nah.
Look at our pillows. We got new pillows.
That pink.
Yeah, pink pillows.
Okay, yeah.
What color is my shirt?
Pink.
Yeah. What color is the bird?
Pink.
No, the bird.
Wait.
Yeah.
I'm trying your phone.
Say I'm too.
That too.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see it. Say subscribe.
Stop.
Say like, comment, subscribe.
Stop.
Say subscribe.
Stop.
Say it loud.
Stop. Stop.
Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3.
three.
Subscribe.
Stop.
No, you gotta hit it right there. No, right here. Yeah, no, you gotta hit it and leave it on there. You gotta hit your hand up there and leave it up there. You gotta hit it and leave it up there. Now leave it right there.